Welcome to Auto In this video, I will show you hidden features of the iPhone 17 Pro Max that you probably didn't know. Excited.
1. Dynamic island gestures, extra swipe controls to quickly switch between live activities like music, calls, and timers. 2. Hidden camera shortcuts. Double tap the action button to instantly launch cinematic or ProRes video. 3. Battery health boost mode. Smart charging slows after 80% to extend battery lifespan. 4. Satellite SMS and internet. Send short messages or access emergency maps even without cellular network. 5. Face ID with sunglasses. Unlock your iPhone even while wearing polarized sunglasses. 6. Haptic touch speed control. Adjust touch sensitivity for faster or slower haptic response. 7. Hidden volume slider trick. Swipe on the dynamic island to control volume without opening control center. 8. Camera level and grid pro mode. Enable level in camera settings for perfectly straight photos. 9. One-hand mode with reachability. Swipe down on the bottom edge to shrink the screen for easier one-hand use. 10. Translate anywhere. Long press any text, including text in images, to instantly translate.